Discover how Colombia is leading the way in digital metrology transformation. In this episode of Consumer Times, we explore the groundbreaking work of Colombia's National Metrology Institute, INM, and how they're revolutionizing precision measurement through digital innovation. From digital calibration certificates to automated time synchronization, learn valuable lessons that apply to industries worldwide, perfect for professionals in quality control, manufacturing, healthcare, research, and anyone interested in measurement science and Industry 4.0. Hello and welcome to Consumer Times. I'm Dr. Arun Kumar, and today we are diving into a fascinating topic that's revolutionizing industries worldwide: digital transformation in metrology. And we are going to learn from a country that's become a regional leader in this space, Colombia. If you've ever wondered how precision measurements go digital or what metrology even means, stick around because this journey is both eye-opening and incredibly relevant to our modern world. Let's start with the basics. What is metrology? Simply put, metrology is the science of measurement. It's the foundation that ensures when you buy a kilogram of rice, you actually get a kilogram. When a pharmaceutical company manufactures medication, the dosage is precisely what's stated on the label. When engineers build a bridge, every measurement is accurate and traceable. Without metrology, modern commerce, manufacturing, healthcare, and science would simply collapse. Now, here's where it gets interesting. We're living through the fourth industrial revolution, Industry 4.0, characterized by automation, data exchange, artificial intelligence, and the Internet of Things. And metrology is undergoing its own transformation. Digital metrology, or Metrology 4.0, involves integrating traditional measurement science with digital technologies like cloud computing, big data analytics, machine learning, and blockchain for data integrity. Colombia's National Metrology Institute, known as INM, Institute Nacional de Metrología, was established in 2011 and has quickly become a powerhouse in Latin American metrology. Located in Bogotá, INM serves as Colombia's primary authority for scientific and industrial metrology, ensuring measurements are traceable to the international system of units. What makes Colombia's story particularly compelling is its active leadership role in the Inter-American Metrology System, or SIM. Colombia's representative serves as vice chair of the SIM Working Group on Metrology for Digital Transformation, known as M4DT. This isn't just symbolic, it reflects real expertise and implementation success that other countries are studying and replicating. Let me walk you through some of Colombia's groundbreaking digital metrology initiatives that are transforming how measurements work in the 21st century. There's the Colombian legal time system. INM operates atomic cesium clocks that maintain Colombia's official time, known as Hora Legal Colombian, synchronized to UTC-5. But here's the digital innovation. INM disseminates this time through network time protocol servers accessible to anyone online. Their servers, ntp1.inm.gov.co and ntp2.inm.gov.co, allow computers, smartphones, and industrial systems across Colombia to automatically synchronize with atomic-level precision. This digital time infrastructure is critical for everything from financial transactions to telecommunications networks. INM has even launched a premium service for organizations requiring rigorous transaction tracking. There's Validate-R, an innovative web-based application that represents a major leap in accessibility. Validate-R is a free, open-source tool built using R statistical software that helps laboratories perform validation calculations for their measurement processes. What makes this special is its accessibility. Any laboratory in Colombia, or anywhere in the world, can access it through their web browser without needing expensive proprietary software. This democratization of metrological tools was developed with support from the SIM-PTBIDB project on implementing new National Metrology Institute services related to digital transformation. Colombia is actively implementing digital calibration certificates, or DCCs. Traditional calibration certificates are paper documents that can be lost, forged, or difficult to verify. Digital certificates use standardized formats, digital signatures, and can be automatically processed by software systems. This means a manufacturer can receive calibration data that flows directly into their quality management systems without manual data entry, reducing errors and improving traceability. INM has embraced digital authentication systems. The institute integrated with Colombia's State Digital Authentication Service, allowing citizens to access metrological services online securely with a single government credential. This eliminates the need for multiple usernames and passwords and streamlines access to services. These digital transformations aren't just technical achievements, they have profound real-world impacts across multiple sectors. In manufacturing, digital calibration certificates mean production equipment can be monitored and calibrated with full digital traceability. A food processing plant can automatically verify that its scales are properly calibrated before each production run, with all records digitally archived and instantly accessible to quality auditors or regulators. In healthcare, precise time synchronization and measurement traceability are critical. Medical devices must deliver exact dosages. Laboratory test results must be comparable across different facilities. Colombia's digital metrology infrastructure supports these requirements, contributing to patient safety and healthcare quality. In telecommunications and IT, precise time synchronization enables everything from 5G networks to blockchain transactions. Colombia's public NTP infrastructure provides this essential service freely to the entire nation. For small and medium enterprises, tools like Valida-R lower the barrier to implementing quality management systems. A small testing laboratory can now access sophisticated validation tools that would have previously required expensive software licenses. Colombia's journey in digital metrology transformation offers several valuable lessons for other countries and organizations. The importance of regional collaboration. Colombia didn't pursue this transformation in isolation. Through SIM and partnerships with institutions like Germany's PTB and the Inter-American Development Bank, Colombia benefited from knowledge sharing, funding, and collaborative problem solving. The monthly Metrology for Digital Transformation Day events organized by SIM create ongoing learning opportunities across the Americas. The value of open source and accessible solutions. By building tools like Valida-R on open source platforms and making them freely available, INM maximized impact while minimizing barriers to adoption. This approach also builds community. Users can contribute improvements and adaptations, the integration with broader digital government initiatives. By connecting to Colombia's National Digital Authentication System, INM aligned with the country's overall digital transformation strategy, creating seamless user experiences. The focus on practical implementation. Colombia didn't just theorize about digital transformation, they built working systems, deployed them, and continuously improved based on real-world use. Their leadership in hosting SIM events, including the 2023 SIM Week and the 2024 SIM Metrology School attended by about 60 students from 30 institutes, demonstrates commitment to capacity building, the balance between maintaining metrological rigor and embracing innovation. Digital transformation in metrology isn't about abandoning fundamental principles, it's about applying those principles using modern tools to achieve better outcomes. Of course, digital transformation in metrology faces challenges. Cybersecurity is paramount when measurement data becomes digital. Ensuring data integrity and preventing tampering requires robust security measures. Interoperability between different systems and countries requires ongoing standardization work. Training the next generation of metrologists who understand both measurement science and digital technologies requires updated educational programs. looking ahead, we can expect continued evolution. Artificial intelligence and machine learning will enable predictive calibration, systems that anticipate when equipment needs calibration based on usage patterns and environmental conditions. Blockchain technology may provide tamper-proof records of calibration chains. Remote calibration and monitoring will become more sophisticated, reducing the need for physical transport of equipment. The broader vision, articulated by organizations like the International Bureau of Weights and Measures, is the SI Digital Framework, a worldwide uniform data exchange format based on the International System of Units. This would enable seamless sharing of measurement data globally, accelerating scientific research, international trade, and technological innovation. Colombia's experience in digital metrology transformation demonstrates that with strategic vision, regional collaboration, and practical implementation, even developing countries can become leaders in cutting-edge technical fields. The lessons from INM Colombia, from implementing atomic time servers to developing open-source validation tools to embracing digital certificates, offer a roadmap for others embarking on similar journeys. As we move deeper into the fourth industrial revolution, metrology will only become more critical. The measurements that underpin everything from smartphone manufacturing to climate science to medical diagnostics must be accurate, traceable, and increasingly digital. Colombia is showing the way forward. Thank you for watching Consumer Times. If you found this exploration of digital